Hey everyone, so today we're going to look into a situation when a user reports significant slowing down of applications on their computer or inability to save new files when there is an alert that the PC is running low on free space. That usually means that disk is full. So we're just going to open up the PowerShell and we're going to run it as administrator. So as we're operating in a virtual box, Windows 10, we're just going to create basically like a dummy file that mimics large temporary files or downloads. So now we're going to open up the command prompt, and what we're going to do next is we're going to run a command that shows the amount of free space that we have on the computer right now. So I'm just going to return to the PowerShell screen. I'm going to run the clean mgr command, which shows which files that we can remove from our computer. So we can definitely select the temporary internet files, and then we'll scroll down and select the files that right now we don't have in the recycle bin, but usually they are just the ones that could be deleted first. So going forward, what you can also do is to set an alert when your file storage runs to a certain percentage. Pull up the performance monitor. From the menu on the left, we're going to select data collector sets. Then we're going to right click on user define and go to new and select data collector set. So we're going to pick the create manually option because we're going to manually choose the amount of free space when to be alerted, and then you can just type whatever name for that alert. Then on the next step, we're going to choose the performance counter alert and click next. Then we're going to click on add and then just wait a few moments until it loads. Then we're going to select the logical disk option, and underneath we're going to choose the C drive. And after it's been added, we're going to click OK. And so for the alert value, since we want to make sure that we get alerted when the disk storage is at 80%, we're going to select below, and then for the limit we're going to go 20, so that would be 20% that is remaining. And then just leave everything the way it is and go finish. So now we can see the alert that we just set up. So we're going to right click and press start, and now it's running. In a scenario where a monitoring system alerts that there's an alarmingly high disk usage, especially if there are no backups running, this would be a method to spot any malicious activity in the system. So I'm going to pull up the command prompt window once again, and then I'm just going to type in the resmon, which is the resource monitor screen. So we can look for file names that look suspicious. Either they have encryption words set up or a bunch of symbols. We can also sort by the bytes per second, just to see if there's anything out of ordinary that's running on our computer. So if a malicious file has been found, you would have to use the stop-process command first, and then have to block all the network access by typing in the following netsh command. And then it gave us the OK. Just to mention, it's also useful to know a few of the netsh commands, like the show interface, which lists all the network adapters, and also the command for a firewall reset, which removes the malicious rules. So that's everything for today's lab. Hit the like button if you found this useful, and it'd be great if you have any other ideas for the lab topics in the future. Thanks for watching.